What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Full Throttle Drive. Thank you so much for joining me on today's video. So it is again a Audi R8 wrap day. So we're gonna work on the roof, and if you guys remember, the first tension tear, the first issue we had was with the roof. So we ended up having that same issue with the hood. We redid the hood since then, and now we're moving back onto the roof. Hopefully with some new knowledge, some new information, we can be a little bit more successful. So again, this is another series. This is our series on wrapping my Audi R8. It's been a ton of fun. We've learned a lot. We've struggled a lot, but so far we're making it. So we still have a lot to do, but again, today we're gonna work on the roof. And as you guys can see, I've got some cuts already made. We actually got the roof already cut and it's laying out there. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Update. So we finally have most of it laid. We have a little bit over here to do, but guys, it's going so much better than the first time. Last time we had tons and tons of access wrap up here, all types of extra film. So we've done a little bit better of a job. We've learned heat truly is your friend. I cannot overstate it. You can't overheat it, but for the most part, if you're careful, heat really is your friend. So we're doing a better job. The tricky part is gonna be these pillars. We're trying to do it all in one piece. What you can do is you can do it in one top piece and then seam it, and you have your pillars right here, but we want to do it all in one piece. So that's what we're going to try to do. Again, so far, knock on wood, I don't have any wood, unfortunately it's going pretty well. So hopefully we can continue with this project being successful as it has been so far. We are now on day 2 of wrapping the roof, and this is the first piece that we were worried about that has actually gone fairly smoothly. I know it's the second time around, but we never got to the pillars, and I was very worried that we weren't going to be able to make the stretch. It worked really well, so we were really happy with how it's turned out so far. We still have a little bit on this side to finish up, so we're gonna be really careful, and then we have the other side as well as the other pillar, and then we can get everything trimmed, nice and tucked, and then we can go from there, but at least we can finish up this roof. So that's what we're gonna finish in today's video, and hopefully we can show you exactly how we're doing that, especially if you are watching this video and trying to wrap your Audi R8 as well. Well guys, it is day 3. We again ran out of time the other day to finish it. So third day working on the roof, and it's really tough. Like, we're getting it. We are gonna finish it this video. Well, this is all one video, so that doesn't really make sense, but we're gonna finish it today. We're gonna get it all done. There's a lot of small tucking and cutting. It just really takes up a lot of time. So as you can see though, it's turning out great. We got all of this side tucked. And then I gotta figure out how we're going to work on this back piece because it needs to come down, and then we gotta cut out, there's a back light back there, but this is looking really, really good, guys. So we decided, so this is really weird. This is another thing that you guys will see is we could have pushed this down and then actually came and tuck it under here, but we decided to leave this black trim exposed and then tuck it down into here because this is 2 pieces. We can always just wrap this final piece down, and so that may be the best option. We'll see when it's done, but we're thinking is, and here's kind of what we're thinking, is maybe we leave the black trim, the black mirrors, and then we get black wheels. And that would be kind of the 2-tone look. Obviously there's carbon fiber as well, but this is all gonna be a darker vehicle with the carbon fiber. The light being the paneling now where the 3M is. So we're gonna see how that looks. And that extra accent there with that black, it might look really good. If not, we can always absolutely wrap it. So, well, again, we're gonna continue today trying to get, look at all this, we gotta deal with all this. So there's gonna be a lot of trimming left.